Katrina, you're so much prettier than I mean, just look at you and then look at me. But do you know who's prettier than the both of us? Our long-lost Kardashian sisters. How I wish we could fly to California and see them. Have a family reunion. It would be glorious. But we're here, stuck in Massachusetts. And I only have you and you only have me. No. I think we will fly to California. We will meet up with them. We will find them. We will reunite. Let's go. Let's go. See you in a couple months. California, here I come. I'm almost there. I'm almost to California. I'm almost going to see my sisters. Oh, how I want to see them. Kardashians. They're my sisters. Okay. Where's my platform?
Yes, I can. You want to see me try?
But in a matter of time, less time planning.